We were really excited to get the opportunity to work on the Sheraton because it's such an important piece of downtown Denver.
We really wanted to harken back to I.M. Pei's vision and really kind of help create more of a visual continuity between the two sides of the building.
We wanted to pay homage to some of the things that were happening in that time.
The tower has this really beautiful kind of heavy aggregate concrete skin and cladding on it. The cladding that we chose for the porte cochere is a very modern interpretation of that.
We were definitely looking for a mix of textures and elements and layering of those different pieces.
And we didn't change the footprint or the amount of square footage in the lobby at all, but the introduction of all of the windows, the change in plane with some of the elevated seating areas actually make this lobby feel twice as big as it used to.
It's super exciting to me to come here and see the porte cochere and see the difference that it's making.
The sharp angles that you'll see when the bar is finished. There's just really a lot of technical detail in that.
Giving back to the city a space that feels more open and has a lot more light to it, and the detailing in it is fantastic. I think it's some of our best work.